Today we're going to talk about chemical storage, particularly flammable storage. What does OSHA say about it? Well, they have a standard. 29 CFR 1910.1200 is the hazard communication standard where you can find more about flammable storage. What is flammable storage? Well, OSHA says that anytime you have flammables, you have to store them in a proper flammable cabinet, like these right here, which are labeled flammable. Basically, these are containers and they are to be labeled flammables, and the only thing that's supposed to go in flammable cabinets are what? Flammables. Let's take a look what's in this one, just as an example. Many times I go out to companies, they have their cabinets become chemical cabinets and not flammable cabinets. Let's see about this one, if it's flammable or just turned into a chemical cabinet, which is illegal. If OSHA opens this and assesses it, and there's other things in it other than flammables, the citation can be $13,000 to $14,000. So let's take a look here. We've got glass cleaner, which is ammonia based. We have paint, very flammable. We have WD-40, extremely flammable. We have food grade Gatorade syrup, not allowed. And contaminants could get into it, and then someone consume it. And you have to think like OSHA thinks. You can't have food grade products inside a flammable cabinet. We've got a biodegradable chemical here, not flammable at all. That can't be in there. We've got a poison, wasp and hornet killer, very toxic. Should we have a fire and the fire department's fighting a fire, now they're dealing with a toxic cloud, which is respirable, obviously. So we can't mix products. This is not flammable. The only thing that can go in a flammable cabinet, as is its label, are flammables. Keep fire away.